Yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah. In a world that's moving much too fast, everybody chasing what won't last, running after fortune, running after fame, forgetting every face and every name. But I found a little place of peace where broken hearts can finally breathe. Not built with money, not built with fear. It's built wherever love lives here. A listening ear, a helping hand. That's how tomorrow learns to stand. One kind word can change the atmosphere. That's how love lives here. Love lives here, where forgiveness grows. Love lives here, in every heart that knows. Through every joy and every tear, we choose each other year by year. No matter where this road may lead, love lives here, and that's all we need. Yeah. It's in the mother praying through the night, in the father trying to do what's right, in every child learning how to dream, believing life is more than it may seem. It's in the neighbor lending you a hand, standing with you when you can barely stand. Hope is louder than the voice of fear. That's why love still lives here. One open door, one honest smile can make the hard road feel worthwhile. The smallest kindness can be so sincere. That's how love lives here. Love lives here, where forgiveness grows. Love lives here, in every heart that knows. Through every joy and every tear, we choose each other year by year. No matter where this road may lead, love lives here, and that's all we need. Oh yeah, we're stronger than the walls that divide us, greater than the fear inside us. Hand in hand we'll write a better story, one heart at a time. The world may change around us, but one truth will always guide us. Love lives here. Let the whole world see. Yeah. Love lives here. Starting here with me. Lift your voice and have no fear. There's still hope from year to year. If we plant the seed with faith sincere, love will always live right here.